transforming reclaimed wood and metal into high-end, eco-conscious home furnishings, epitomizes the intersection of sustainability, craftsmanship, and modern design. In today's increasingly environmentally aware society, the reuse of discarded materials not only reflects a commitment to mindful living, but also showcases the potential for creating luxurious decor that resonates with both aesthetics and ethical values. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you the collection of high-end home furnishings and eco-luxury decor ideas by turning reclaimed wood and metal. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Reclaimed wood, often extracted from old barns, warehouses, or deconstruction sites, carries with it a rich history, while repurposed metal, ranging from construction scraps to vintage hardware, offers endless design possibilities. When combined, these materials can be reimagined into sophisticated home furnishings that are both stylish and sustainable, fostering a connection between nature and contemporary living. The journey begins with sourcing high-quality reclaimed materials, where artisans often find beauty in imperfections and the character inherent in aged wood and metal. Each piece tells its own story. The patina on a piece of reclaimed wood can evoke memories of its original purpose, while the rust on metal surfaces can add depth and texture to new designs. The first step in this transformation process involves careful selection, seeking out materials that not only speak to the artisan's vision, but also possess structural integrity. For instance, selecting planks of reclaimed barn wood that exhibit interesting grain patterns or rich colors can provide a stunning foundation for high-end furniture pieces, such as dining tables or console tables. Once the materials are selected, the transformation entails significant craftsmanship and attention to detail. A reclaimed wood dining table, for example, can be crafted to retain the natural contours and imperfections of the wood, celebrating its unique attributes. By utilizing traditional joinery techniques or modern methods like epoxy inlays, artisans can create tables that are both functional and artful. Incorporating metal accents such as steel legs or brackets not only adds strength and stability to the design, but also introduces a contemporary edge that complements the rustic warmth of the wood. This fusion of materials is essential in modern furnishing, merging the old with the new, while ensuring that each piece is one of a kind. Additionally, the design potential for reclaimed materials extends far beyond furniture. Lighting fixtures crafted from repurposed wood and metal can serve as striking focal points in any space. For example, a pendant light made from reclaimed wood beams, accented by industrial-style metal fittings, can capture the essence of urban chic while making a bold statement. The interplay of light illuminating the natural grain of the wood creates a warm ambience, inviting comfort into a home. In this way, lighting fixtures crafted from reclaimed materials not only serve practical purposes, but also become artworks that elevate the overall aesthetic of living spaces. The concept of high-end eco-conscious home furnishings also emphasizes the importance of sustainability throughout the design and production processes. Using reclaimed materials significantly reduces the environmental impact associated with furniture production, as it minimizes the demand for new resources. This sustainable approach also aligns with the principles of the circular economy, promoting the idea of reusing and repurposing materials that would otherwise end up in landfills. Artisans can further enhance their eco-consciousness by using non-toxic finishes and natural stains that preserve the integrity of the materials while ensuring safety for families and the environment. We'd love to know, are you enjoying today's content? Your support and engagement means so much to us and help shape the creative direction of Decor Menu. Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting and decor lovers. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. By prioritizing eco-friendly practices, artisans not only elevate their craft, but also contribute to a growing movement where luxury and sustainability coexist harmoniously. Furthermore, integrating reclaimed materials into high-end furnishings allows for the creation of unique, sellable decor pieces that stand out in the marketplace. As consumers become increasingly conscious of their purchasing decisions, there is a burgeoning demand for products that reflect both quality and sustainability. Artisans who specialize in transforming reclaimed wood and metal into sophisticated furnishings can tap into this market by highlighting the craftsmanship and story behind each piece. For instance, a beautifully crafted coffee table made from reclaimed wood featuring unique joins or a custom epoxy finish can fetch a premium price due to its artisanal quality and sustainable nature, making it an attractive investment for discerning buyers. The branding and marketing of eco-conscious home furnishings play a critical role in their perceived value. Artisans can effectively communicate the narrative behind their creations, detailing the origins of the reclaimed materials and the processes used to transform them. This storytelling aspect resonates deeply with consumers, forging emotional connections to the items and emphasizing their exclusivity. Leveraging social media platforms and online marketplaces allows artisans to showcase the aesthetic beauty and craftsmanship of their products, while educating potential buyers about the sustainable practices involved in their creation. Eye-catching photography that captures the details and stories of each piece can spark interest and engagement, helping artisans carve out a distinct identity in a crowded marketplace. Moreover, the collaborative spirit inherent in sustainable design can open up new opportunities for artisans. Pairing with interior designers who value eco-conscious practices can expose craftsmen to wider audiences interested in sustainable decor. Participating in local artisans' markets or exhibitions that focus on eco-friendly practices also helps establish connections within the community, fostering a sense of belonging and shared purpose among creators. Emphasizing collaboration can lead to innovative design partnerships, combining different artistic visions and materials to create something extraordinary. The opportunity to work together with environmental organizations and educational institutions to spread awareness about sustainable practices can contribute to a broader impact, encouraging a shift towards more responsible consumption. As this movement of transforming reclaimed wood and metal into high-end, eco-conscious home furnishings continues to gain momentum, it invites us to reflect on our relationships with materials and design. The craftsmanship behind these pieces serves as a reminder of the beauty that can be found in sustainability, allowing nature's stories to be interwoven into the fabric of modern living. Each furnishing crafted from reclaimed materials carries with it the potential to evoke appreciation for the past, while inviting future generations to engage with thoughtful, intentional design. Ultimately, the remarkable transformation of reclaimed wood and metal into sophisticated home furnishings proves that eco-conscious design can merge seamlessly with luxury. By celebrating the uniqueness of each material and employing skilled craftsmanship, artisans create decor that not only elevates living spaces, but also enriches lives through sustainable practices. The relationship formed between the creator and the materials fosters a deep connection that translates into pieces imbued with purpose, beauty, and meaning. As we embrace these high-end, eco-conscious creations, we find new ways to celebrate nature in our homes, forging a future where luxury and sustainability can coexist, ultimately leading to a more mindful approach to design and living. The allure of these furnishings lies not just in their aesthetic appeal, but in the narratives they tell, making them treasured possessions for those who recognize the value of history, craftsmanship, and environmental responsibility. In transforming reclaimed materials into beautiful, functional decor, we redefine luxury, establishing a new standard that values the past, embraces creativity, and looks forward to a more sustainable future. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked high-end home furnishings and eco-luxury decor ideas by turning reclaimed wood and metal Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.